Initial tack reflects the instant adhesion capability of adhesive tapes. As a core performance indicator, it directly determines the bonding stability the moment the tape is applied. However, test requirements vary across different countries. Today, in strict accordance with GBT 48,522,002 Method B, we will demonstrate the standardized test procedure for tape initial tack under test conditions of 23 degrees Celsius plus or minus 1 degree Celsius and 50% plus or minus 5% RH. Test preparation. The test samples were preconditioned under constant temperature and humidity for more than 2 hours to eliminate the interference of environmental factors on test data. Test process. Step 1. Pre-test preparation. Set the tester to the standard inclination angle of 2130 and clean the inclined chute of the test area. Step 2. Specimen cutting and preparation. Peel off the outer 36 surface laps of the tape roll. Do not touch the adhesive surface of the test area with bare hands to prevent contamination, which may affect tack performance. Step 3. Specimen clamping and fixation. Lay the tape onto the test plate with adhesive side up, attach it flat, and secure both ends firmly. Step 4. Cleaning treatment of test steel balls. Hold the number 14 steel ball with tweezers and wipe it thoroughly with anhydrous ethanol and dust-free paper. Step 5. Formal rolling ball test. Place the clean number 14 steel ball at the start of the trough and release it by operating the lever. The ball rolls down to the horizontal adhesive surface and stops. Measure the distance from the trough outlet to the center of the stopped ball with a straight ruler to get the rolling distance value. Step 6. Test result recording. Record the measured rolling distance values on the test record sheet. Judgment logic: the smaller the rolling distance in millimeters, the higher the initial tack performance of the tape. The test result shall be expressed as the arithmetic mean value of 3 test distances.